In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine splash shield on your Scion XB. This is going to be located under the vehicle. Let's get started. Looking up right behind the engine, we're going to find all of our plastic clips for our engine splash shield. Go around using a pair of clip pliers, pull out all of the plastic clips. Pull the last clip down and remove the splash shield. Install the splash shield up into place and get the clip started. Install all the plastic clips and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.